Jamaican shore fishing, welcome to the channel, guys. Epic link up today. We'll link up with Adventurous Living.
Guys.
And my friend don't want to hill look
One.
Back down now. Up
One.
again.
At 5 minutes coming, Kyle.
Brother.
Hop on that.
Me here you be like a donkey look while.
Guys, believe me, country life is not for me. Country life is not mine, people. No joke.
People
Guys, go mess with.
Me have one scene
Up
from the river.
Down the hill.
So while him there run up and down hill, me go down the river go explore. Me I put in that scene the next. You have to the river, don't you? Pretty or fat. One staircase go down there, no?
Yeah, man, you want to see one of the pie place.
Oh, that's a nice man.
Guys.
So stay tuned, guys. We'll link up with Team Chef Life and we'll touch the seaside. We'll see if we can pick up 2 more fish and go so do so. You see it? So stay tuned.
We're supposed to carry advice, people. You have to tell them no.
Stay tuned, guys.
Guys,
Jamaican shore fishing. Look what I found. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is not a seaside vibes right now, but that's what it's going to turn into in a bit. But look what I found, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick up nothing with this big old lure on here, but let's get a cast at it. This is awesome. I like this. Maybe we might get a mudfish. Who knows? There are fish in here, I suppose. But let's get a magic cast out here, guys, and see what we can pick up. Might get a mudfish between the rock or something. This call for a paddle tail, guys. I'm gonna take this off. I'm underwater. This is a river vibe. I've never expected to do this today, but let's get something on here that we won't worry about. Yeah, we're meeting up with a surprise guest today, guys. Adventurous Living, who I'm linking up with in a bit. He should be meeting me by my car. But you know me already, the adventurous, who always want to take off into some bushes. And we're in the supermarket. We gotta grab some sea salt. We're here with Team Chef Life, Adventurous Living, and grabbing some stuff. I gotta tie my shoelace. Team Chef Life, you're right, that's all. Yeah, guys, so we're out with Adventurous Living, guys. Adventurous Living there. Yeah, well overdue for a link up, but we came out on a condition that was kind of windy. We don't feel like say we are catch some fish today, guys. Water ugly, man, but you will find one barrel out here, so come on. So go. We'll look for him. We'll hunt him. So we want to always put the breeze in your back. Yeah, right. Go check back. That's that. Fire light, you know. And Got it set up already, guys. Come back over. And taking a break. So I was given the assignment to clean up the fish. So I'm cleaning up the fish because the weather is bad and we're not going to end up catching anything here. So we said, alright, might as well we just cook some fish up that we brought with us just in case there's backup. We just have lunch and just chill. Nice little spot, ambience. Do this skit. Of course I get to do the fish cleaning assignment. I'm a fisherman.
So, I'm a spear fisherman.
Yeah, of course we shoot fish. I'm a spear fisherman.
I'm a fisherman. I'll go fish bar. I'm a chef.
Fire, making some damper bread on the fire, guys. And we're here with Team Chef Life and Adventurous Living. We're just catching this content, guys. We're on the beach. We didn't catch much fish today. Adventurous Living caught a fish. We just brought some stuff with us and doing a little hookup on this, guys. Excited. Send it here, guys. Alright? Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. You guys are on the beach with 2 subscribers?
Yeah, so everything are raw. So all I own and everything. Well, the season of the road.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yep. Why? Salsa, because I spend a lot.
Everything are raw.
Oh.
Everything raw. That's what I'm saying.
Why?
So me no. For the food are raw, but the fish is gonna be raw.
Yo, in another video, Ate dog, you bun up. Big up to Ate, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Ate always the all our videos, same way. A good supporter, big up himself. Yeah, man. And why? So is it? Hey guys, that is it on the wood fire and the damper bread. And you see it, guys, outside Rasta do it up. And see the man off the dive off, look, you have to chop off.
Yeah, people, so really fun thing, guys. And one thing, if you're not the spear fishing, guys, after have this.
What?
Well hydrated people. Yeah, the thirsty in the water, but you're not realizing it, isn't it? Because you're in the water.
Thirsty in the water.
You can't even sweat in the water, people. Bet y'all didn't know that.
Yeah, guys, so we're here with some guests, and they're here too, just as well. Let's try our damper bread. We're about to try some fish. Let me go run up. I'm gonna go grab some plates real quick. And
you mean some leaf?
No, plates.
A leaf for one, brother.
I gotta look some plates, people. I think I see some over here, so right. Look at. I'll go through bush door, guys. So one broadleaf tree around here, so I want almond tree. I find some big leaf off I tree them. Because that we have to use a plate. So I find the biggest one them, guys. And then we go to the side. See like all this one, you know? Go so. Hold on, I'll get my knife. And cut some plate, you see it? The biggest one them you have to pick off, guys, just like this. Alright? So stay tuned. Now pick some beef outside. What I want to do, take these bad boys down to the salt water and get them soaked in the salt water for a quick second. And wash them off, guys. Get them cleaned up. Dust. Also being made by Chef Life, guys. Don't know. Yeah, whip up the thing. No, did you park in or something? Jerry, answer me. Bad man, I'm building the park. Okay. Answer me, go sign, shave down the thing. Bad man, forget it. Bad man, forget it. Outdoor, you know. Yeah, that is it. Oh my God, see that? Salsa. Oh my God. That is it, guys. Yeah. Team Chef Life. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. I eat that, you know, guys. Dip on the seaside. And eat what you catch. That was it. Once a Jamaican shore fishing, not it, guys. I'm outside, guys. We dip on the beach. Oh dear. Hey, you guys say hi. That's right. That's what's up.
Days of Team Chef life, same way. Adventurous living is out on the hunt. Yeah man, adventurous living out there. And we are waiting for him to come back. I know some murder sitting, you know. I know he's gonna kill something, bro. That dude is skill like whoa. He's skill like that. So trust me. Outside. Hit that guys. Team Chef life. That is it. Yes. What is it? First time out with Team Chef life on Jamaican shore fishing.
Yeah, big up. Respect.
Yeah man. That is it. We're outside guys. Friend here. She don't eat fish but we'll make sure she get her.
She not eat fish there.
We'll set her up still proper. Hold on, I'm gonna help out Chef Life over here guys. I get Chef Life tilted and get her some of my maca bread. We'll make fresh on the fire. You're gonna see that seams inside before this. That is it guys. Outside. Bond leaf. This is more like a vegetarian dapper bread without meat.
Vegan.
Yeah, straight vegan thing.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Oh my God. Yeah.
That is it. See you guys outside Jamaican shore fishing. Out here. Oh, what are your chef? Look at that, straight barra. Outside, big up yourself, Rod. I know you like eating on leaf, Rod. Bless up yourself, Rod from Canada, guys. Big up, Rod. Rod loves the fish on the leaf with the food and everything. Yep, that is it. Gangnam style. That is it, guys. Give me that, you know, guys. You see it, guys? Give me that. Boy. Guys. Fish on catches, you know? I love this. Chef Life. Get my chef fat. That's a bit. You're waiting for the judge, come down and experience this. Yeah, I'm Houston. You have to come and come check out this. Team Chef are going too bad. Nicky, you mash up your life, you left Mobile. Pick up yourself. May I tell you, Nicky? Go and make cooking, Nicky.
Right
On the beach side. Team Chef right.
How's your damper bread with your salsa?
Delicious. It's almost gone.
Oh my God. Good? Awesome. 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 Awesome.
That is it, guys. Guys, adventure living them. Just come out of the water and I head back to camp. Huh? No, go on. Water white up, not you? Yo, strange fish. Look here. The man them go shoot fish. And then come back. And come back with they don't come back with no fish, then come back with red stripe. Man them come back and say a big girl then see. Lord, in a bikini. Lord have mercy.
My friend. Muchas girls.
We're outside.
Everything chef.
Shell done.
Shell on.
You see, all adventure living just come out of the water, guys. You see me? Yeah, man. That's a munch up, guys. We have Team Chef Life here, same way. I do a thing, I pack up, and I get ready to run out. And when I don't know, guys, there are some people here taking some photos, doing some drone shots and stuff like that. And we're there upon the ends, guys. But stay tuned. Epic adventure, guys. Pick up yourself. Almond leaf, guys. I eat that. I eat your food. I eat, man. Pick up yourself, guys. Bless up yourself. Adventure living is about to take off and go home. Yeah, we was just down on the river testing out the thing, so we're gonna head back to that one next. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. Yeah. So, Team Chef Life is here.
It was a good day, guys. No joke. We go up on the beach time, we do start clean, talk with some, you know, interact with the locals them.
The guests.
The guests them.
Yes.
Because they're not locals.
Yep.
You know me?
Dive and get free beer.
Yeah, man.
We're not gonna forget that part there. Alright, guys. So bless up, guys. We out.